In this video, we will learn about dictionaries in Python. Dictionaries are key value pair structure. We have a key, and using the key, we can look up a value. A dictionary key can be a unique number or string, and value can be anything. A Python dictionary can be declared with curly braces. Each key value pair is separated by a comma. Let's see an example of it. I will create a simple script where we see example of our dictionary. I'm using gedit editor in Ubuntu, and our script name will be dict underscore example dot py. There's a spelling mistake here. Example. So we can declare our dictionary like this. Our dict, and then the curly braces and the key, such as key 1, and then we have our value 1, value 1 for the value 1, and then we have key 2. We can name it k2, and then we have its value 2. You can see over here, these are key value pairs: key, then colon, then value, then they are separated by comma, and then we have next key 2 and its value 2. I will declare another dictionary, uh, pro prog underscore dict, and then over here I have a key Tom. So the goal over here is Tom like Python programming, so its value will be Python. And then I will have another key. His name is Peter, and then Peter likes Java, so its value will be Java. And then we will have Mike. Need a double quotes here. And after Mike, then its value will be, for example, we set it to PHP. Now we have these two dictionaries. Dictionary values can be accessed through the name of dictionary key. For example, Tom. This is the key Tom. So if you want to access Python, we can get it by Tom. Let's see, print, and over here, then the name of our dictionary, prog underscore dict, and then inside it, Tom, and I will save this and run it. And over here, you can use Python or Python 3, whatever version you are using, and then our script name, that was dict underscore example dot py, and you can see it printed Python when we give the name of our key Tom. So this way you can print the value with the key in from a dictionary. Back to our code, I think, so we need to go back to our code. Okay, now if we want to print Java, we can do here print, then we have to give the key prog underscore dict, and inside it this brackets Peter, and just save run it again. You can see now we have those both Python and Java values from this dictionary. If you don't know the name of the key, we can use loops to iterate through the whole dictionary. If the key for which the value we want to print does not exist in the dictionary, we will get a key not found exception. Let's try this. For example, if I do like this, print, and there's, for example, if I do print prog underscore dict, and then pass in the key which we don't have any value in our dictionary, such as, let's go with Robert. This should throw an exception, and just save it and run it on our terminal. Python dig example.py. Let's see. Yeah, we got over here the error. So Robert key error, so cannot find a key. We can pause or use another technique to avoid this kind of error or exception. We can use the get method provided by the dictionary class. The get method takes the key name as the first argument and default value if the key is not present as the second argument. So let's see. For example, we can do over here, if you don't have a Robert, we can call project get. Over here, I need to add a Robert. For example, if I do get method, use this get method, not here, over here, dot get, and pass in the key that don't exist, for example, Robert, and then the second argument will be the default value of this key. So you can also return false, that key don't exist or the value don't exist of this key. I'm just gonna pass in C++. So when we will print this, it should return C++ for Robert. So I'm just gonna save it over here and run it again in console. Let's see. Python underscore example.py. Now we have Python, Java, and C++ printed. So this way, if you don't have any key, you can pass in the default value for that key. You can also put false over here. We can also add keys later on if you created the dictionary already and set the values, but later on you can also add new values. To add more values, we need to do this our prog. I will use this one, prog underscore day, and I will set the value of a key. So the key will be over here, John, and assign value to it. What programming he likes, make it C#. Okay, so now we can print this one. I'm just gonna copy from here. So and we can save and check if it works. Okay, then come back over here. We have Java. Oh, we didn't set John. Okay, here we need to print John, not here. So this one, I didn't change that one. So now I'm gonna print John and save it and just run it again. Now you can see it's C# is also there for key John. So this way you can add key and values to dictionary later on. To get all the dictionary keys, we can use the keys method. This returns the class instance of dictionary keys. For example, if you want all the keys, you can do this. I will say keys and then our prog dictionary. I'm just prog dict functions keys. It will return all the keys. And if you want all the values, then you can call this dictionary's method values. It return all the values that present in this dictionary. So it's gonna be some values. There will be prog underscore dict and the values. You can just save it. If we want to print all the key names in the dictionary, we can use for loop, for example, like this. For and key in prog underscore dict and there's a column, and inside it in loop we can call print function and pass in the key. It will loop through the dictionary and print each key. Save and run. You can see it printed all those keys: John, Mike, Peter, and Tom after this C#. You can also loop through these keys. If you call keys function, you can loop through that too over here and in for loop. And also the same way you can do for values. And another way is like for key pass in key to dictionary to get the value. For example, for key in prog dict and inside it over here, this is gonna print. And then we will use the name of our dictionary, prog underscore dict, and then give our key, so it will return the value. This over here, save it and run it. Before that, I'm just gonna print over here that we are printing values. Printing, need to print first. Print, printing values. And save and check the results. You can see over here is printed the values C#, PHP, and so on. And if you want to print with these function values, we can do that too. I'm just gonna copy from here and go back down, and here I'm gonna do for val in values, and then come down over here in the for loop, and I'm just gonna print well. So this is another way. I will print here message again, so we know we can differentiate. Print, printing values. save it and minimize it or go back to our terminal. Yeah, over here, I'm just gonna run it again. Let's see. Oh, there's an issue if it need to fit. There's a function bracket missing here. Let's run it again. Yeah, over here you can see printing values away, and we have those value printed too. So these are different way you can print or iterate a dictionary. To keep on learning, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep supporting us, and thank you for watching.